It's crunch time, lunchtime. Indeed. It's crunch time, lunchtime. Indeed. Gotta eat and it's lunchtime. And I be on this shit and I ain't clear and I do it just like it's one time. They be thirsty than bloodhound, nosy the neighborhood watch. And they really don't want to see how I come to this bitch. It's like I'm about to do it like I ain't leaving no room or no air to breathe. Fuck what they own, they be acting like they really wanted me to rip it and give them fucking business. Hold it down and handle it just like functions. And it ain't no bumping or no running or no stunting. And it's me who be leaving your shit so swollen like elephantitis. And the shit that I be spitting, it ain't written or writing. It's off the top of the dome while I'm off in the zone. Crunch time, lunchtime. 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 Gotta eat. Crunch time, lunchtime. Gotta eat like it's a feast. And I'm about to tear shit up like a fucking beast. And I'm about to let you know just how I delete. And erasing, straight replacing. Crunch time, lunchtime. Crunch time, lunchtime. I'm stumping, I'm beating the brakes off these legs. They be acting real fake it, do bootlegged. And really don't want to see how I see them. They counterfeit and they be acting like they really want something, but they be stunned in front and really don't know just who it be. They be holding it down and up from the trenches. And I be with this shit and I don't do no fucking pretending. And I hold it down and I keep it 100 and I handle my functions in business. Crunch time, lunchtime, and I gotta have it like sacking and sealing and pushing. I gotta eat. I'm going Yeti on the beat. I'm gonna let you know I'm about that Fetty. I gotta have it like bread breaking, money making, motivated. Regulators that be claiming destinations, no hesitating. It's just hypnotizing and realizing that you be in camouflage and ready to hit your head like something that's sweet. Here for instance, we ain't doing no pretending, but we all about that scratch grilled cheese riches. Crunch time, lunchtime. 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 We handle this business. And we with that. Building. Crunching, stomping, dumping, pumping, leaving your shit swollen like it's lumping, hauling and dumping, tossing, flooding and rushing, clearing discussions, juking like a plug-in, moving like I'm using my muscle, on the criminal grind, hustling. Crunch time, lunchtime, crunch time, lunchtime. Crunch time, lunchtime. Marching and mobbing, like it's crunch time, lunchtime, I'm information, clearing destinations, And they huffing and puffing, they talking about nothing but faking, they perpetrating, instigating. They really don't want to see just who would be holding it down. And with the punchlines, they would be flooding, and we brushing, and we be on that untamed and terrorizing and so violent, and we be ready to get to doing more bread breaking, just like we slice and dicing. Lunchtime, crunch time, lunchtime, crunch time. Lunchtime, crunch time.